Hey guys, this is my new 357 red dot sight. It doesn't come with red dot sight, but I bought it at one of these stores. I'm not gonna tell you where I live. It's kind of weird, but it's a Daisy red dot sight. It has two different forms of light on it. It has a small and bright, which is a little bit bright, and then it has a extremely brightness on it. Pretty cool. I got my case right here. I got some targets up. Already shot one of them down. You can go ahead and load it up real quick. Alrighty. Turn my sight on. Take my safety off. I could find my sight. There we go. Take out the bottle now. This red dot sight is very accurate. Take out the can now. Take them out of bullets. No, I had one more in it. I mean, this is a really good gun, especially for shooting birds and stuff, if you like shooting birds. As you can see, just from about 4 or 5 shots, this thing does not play. It goes all the way through. Makes some big dents. I mean, that's just one shot. It's going through. The bottle as well, hitting dead on where I was aiming, very middle, dead on every time. The bottle in the center 3 times. I don't know if you can see it where I aimed. See if I can put another little bit more ammo in it. I mean, this is a really good gun, especially for frog hunting, like me and my friend like to do with it. I just bought the red sight today, so it's brand new. It doesn't take much to sight in, and all I really have to do is just tap it down a little bit. This is for the .22 caliber sight. I'm going to put one more in it. Alrighty. Again, this is extremely accurate gun. Do single burst with it. See if I can't hit the Pepsi sound. Dead on. And if you love accurate guns, this is the gun for you. I bought this gun for about $60. Pepsi. I mean, this does some damage. Let's see if I can get a close-up aim shot. It's dead on. Dead on, Pepsi sign. Dead on it. Got your bottle. Out of bullets. It'll shoot as fast as you can pull the trigger. I mean, it's a good gun. Light, about less than a pound, maybe a pound. It's a good gun, does damage. Thanks for watching the video, and if you get one of these, upload videos. I mean, I like seeing them about them, getting new stuff, attachments. I'm about to get me a flashlight at the bottom attachment. So, thanks for watching my video.